Hello everyone and welcome to my channel magicofoneclick. So today we are going to type 103rd program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. Yes, you know that we have started cascading style sheet, the new programs. How to use INLINE CSS. We'll start with DOCTYPE HTML tag, head tag, and now title tag. Inline CSS. Now we'll end title tag and head tag. Now we'll use body tag, h1 style equals to color, that is red. Now we'll end h1 tag, h1 style equals to color green. And now we'll end h1 tag, color blue. Now we'll end h1 tag, body tag and HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 103rd with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. Local disk D, HTML folder and 103rd program. So this is our basic output of how to use inline canvas tag and cascading style sheet. And don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding.